Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the system won't override your choices. Update iOS, then open Control Center and push the brightness slider to 100%. Once done, go to Settings Battery and turn off Low Power Mode. This mode intentionally lowers screen output. Make sure battery saver notifications are acknowledged so the phone won't auto-adjust. You're now at full manual brightness and ready to lock those settings so the display stays bright during normal use. Next, prevent automatic dimming by disabling adaptive features. Go to Settings Accessibility Display and Text Size and turn off Auto Brightness so the phone won't lower light based on ambient sensors. Then go to Settings Display and Brightness and switch off True Tone and Night Shift. They alter color and perceived brightness. Lastly, if you have Face ID, disable Attention, Aware Features in Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. To finalize, lock those settings when needed. Enable guided access for single-session control if you want a guaranteed brightness level during specific tasks. If the screen still fluctuates after all toggles, restart the iPhone to clear sensor or software glitches. This often resolves stubborn overrides. If problems persist, reset all settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset, but note this restores defaults. Troubleshooting tip: test in safe mode-like conditions by disabling accessories and checking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.